Alright, now about writing effects. If you click on add a text, it will be just simply a text that appears on the screen without any writing effects. Now this might be enough for you, but on the side here you have text effects, which are really great. Now you'll see that there are more styles. Some of them require you to upgrade and some of them don't, but they all have the same writing effects. This doesn't change by style you choose. So let's go back to the one we selected. And if you click on more, these are all the text effects that you can put in your video. The first one is similar to this one. It's basically a lack of text effect. This one is handwriting. Let me show you. You'll get a couple options. If you click on here, you'll be able to edit, or first if you type in your text, then you get to choose like any text editor, the size of the police, but you can also go with 34, 36, but if you decide to type in 35, it's accepted too. You're not limited to the options here. Now you get to choose also a typography. There are not a whole lot of them, but it's good enough. Let's go with Samdan. And now you can center the text, put it on the left, put it on the right. This is especially relevant when you are including graphics and animations in your video, and you don't want the text to collide with it. Lastly, you can choose a color for your text. Let's put it in red. Now you can place it wherever you want, and upon reviewing your slide, you'll see that there is a writing effect. Now, if your text is very long, this particular writing effect might take a long time. It might take up to 5 seconds for the hand to go above all letters. There's no way to speed up the animation, unfortunately, so I suggest you keep handwriting effect for very short body of text, right? Like headlines or quick annotations. Words appearing. Basically just words appearing. Again, if your text is too long, you're going to end up with a very long slide. Now, these are words scaling down. Now with letters bouncing. Now for letters rolling. Now by the time you watch this video, they might have added new text effects, but for now that's all. See, the animation takes quite some time. I mean, the animation starts at 8 seconds and takes up to 10 seconds to do its thing. And unfortunately, as I've said, you cannot speed the process up, for all I know. Now, words fading. And now letters appearing. So that's it for text effects. I'll be reviewing in the next video all of the, animations and what you can do and the styles. And then at the end of this section, I'll be creating a Powtoon from scratch. So stay tuned.